Hey friends, I told my followers to ask me their grammatical questions the other day, and this question was the most asked one. So today I'm here to teach you this sweet little lesson. Sometimes you may want to talk about something you thought would happen in the future at a point in the past. In this case, you need to know how to form such sentences. I will go to the cinema. Well, yesterday I said I would go to the cinema. So will becomes would. I'm going to start a new job. The last time I saw you, you were going to start a new job. What's it like? So am, is, are going to become was, were going to. I'm traveling tomorrow. Hey, last week you were traveling the day after I saw you. How did it go? So the present continuous becomes the past continuous. Isn't it easy? You just need to use the past versions of the future forms. So to recap, will becomes would, am, is, are going to becomes was, were going to, and the present continuous becomes the past continuous. Which grammar rules are the most difficult ones? Ask us, we'll make videos. Bye for now!